Lord, I try so hard to be the best that I could be. It's like every time I take one step, something's right in front of me. Lord, where would I be without your grace and mercy? Oh, now I have one question, Lord, why? You changed my whole life. Oh, you made my wrongs right, and for the rest of my life, I'll never know why. You made something out of nothing. Oh, nothing. You made something out of nothing. You spoke and I was sold. Why, I'll never know. My life was headed out of control. Somehow I shifted into overload. But then you came and did a work in me. Out of everything I once was, somehow you saw a masterpiece.